Number one proof on why you must stop buying Pepe coin. Pepe coin doesn't have a lot of liquidity. With the liquidity, with a lot of liquidity, Pepe coin can keep on maintaining its price, so the price doesn't go extremely down. And on how you can determine a project that's got a long-term vision is by as well the liquidity. When the liquidity is enough in there and when they have locked their liquidity for a long time. As you can see, Pepe coin didn't even lock their liquidity for a long period of time. This is number one proof that Pepe coin could be a scam. Number two, Pepe coin has got bad actors. From the news that I saw yesterday, I was able to see that Pepe coin has got bad actors. Bad actors, I mean, are some of the team that are on staff working together to achieve their vision right on Pepe coin project. Immediately Pepe coin launched and made huge amount of money to a lot of people and as well the team members. What happened was that they started to distance themselves because of greed. So along the line, the reason why Pepe coin lost about 50 million, I mean the Pepe coin team lost about 50 million, is due to the greed from the team. So there's no anything like equality amongst them. So that's the reason why you must avoid buying more of Pepe coin. Same thing has happened to many of the popular projects out there that we're doing well. The third reason why you must avoid Pepe coin is because Pepe coin is a meme coin. And what a lot of people are not going to tell you is that Pepe coin doesn't have any utility backing it. So it's called a meme coin. What drives meme coins is mostly sentiment. On what is happening right on the internet is what will determine if the price goes up or not. So Pepe coin is a meme coin. So being a meme coin is I call it shit coin, because it's a shit and coin, meaning that it doesn't have no real world utility. So this is the reason why you must avoid it. And remember, I make videos as well on shitcoin, or you call it meme coin. The reason why I make videos like that one is because a lot of people likes to buy meme coin or shitcoin because they see that as an easier means to make more money in that crypto market. But the truth is that when I make that kind of video, I tell you guys to put in your spare money. So make sure you're not going all in with everything you have in the crypto market to buying Pepe coin. There are many valuable coins that's got huge amount of potential, and you can check my channel here or on this TikTok or YouTube you're watching me on and see on the coin that I am suggesting that you must buy. So have it in mind that nothing on here should be considered as a financial advice, but have it in mind that Pepe coin is not a good project that you must invest in. One, there's not enough liquidity in there, that has been locked for a long period of time. The last time I checked, they locked their liquidity for 8 months. So which means that in the next 8 months, Pepe coin could be probably dead. So another thing is that Pepe coin is not a coin that you must go all in with your money. I don't like playing with my money. Avoid Pepe coin.